Hi first graders, it's Mrs. Badalamenti. Today we're learning lesson 4.11 and we're doing extra practice with tens and ones. So the first thing we need today is a scissors, and we're also going to need workbook page 173, and on the back side that is 174. I have them both shown here for you so you know what to look for. So the first thing you're going to do is cut these out on the dotted lines, okay? And then you're going to make a pile of tens and a pile of ones. Okay, so these are all like the tens, the decade numbers over here, and then make a pile of the ones. When you're done with that, you can play the video again. All right, now that you're back with me, we are going to count tens and ones and make numbers with these secret code cards. So like we said, we have our pile of 10 cards. And here the directions say you can put it on the left, doesn't really matter to me. And make a pile of ones cards on the right, just like this, tens and ones. Now we want the sticks and circles to face up. So if you look here, this is what I mean by the sticks and the circles, okay? These are the 10 sticks, these are the ones. We want these ones facing up in order to play our game. So you're going to draw the top card from each pile. So here it says partner number 1 and partner number 2, but at home this could be like your homework helper, and this could be you, or you could do both. You could pretend to be both partners. In school, we'll be doing it with the person that sits closest to us, and so you're going to draw a card, and you're going to say how many tens and how many ones. So if I were to grab, let's just say I pick up off the pile, I pick up 50. Okay, so I pick up this card right here, 50. And then off my ones pile, I pick up a 2. My number would be 52. Okay, so I would say 50 and 2 make 52. So that's 5 tens and 2 ones make 52. And go ahead and play that for a few minutes or until you get bored. Try to make your way through all of the cards. I do notice here that there is a 100 card, and we haven't really got that far yet, but save these blue cards because you're going to need them for later. So play this game for a little while, and then move on to the workbook page. So here we are on the workbook page, and it's page 175 today, the very next page. First thing on your paper is your name, please. We're going to write the number of tens and ones right here. And then we're also going to write the number. So let's get started by counting the tens and the extra ones. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, our number is 28. So let's write that in. Okay, now we're looking at how many tens. Okay, there's two ways we can do this. We can look up at our picture and we see that there's 2 10 sticks. Okay, that gives us 2 tens. Also, we can look at the number that we came up with and check the tens place. Yep, it has 2. So either way, we come up with the same answer. Okay, now let's look at the ones. Here we have 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Okay, 8 ones. We can check it from the picture. Or we can go to the number that we came up with and decide, this is the tens place, this is the ones place. Yep, 28. You can kind of see the number there. 2 tens and 8 ones. Let's go to number 2. Help me count the tens and the ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. Let's write it in. 72. Now let's count how many tens. Okay, I can see that they put a little break here, so we know that this is a group of 5, a 5 group. So this is 5 tens, 5, 6, 7, 7 tens. Again, if we really wanted to, we could double check our answer by checking the tens place. Now, how many ones do we see? 1, 2. Double check the ones place over here. Yep, our number is 72. 7 tens and 2 ones make 72. All right, I want you to try 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we will flip to the back side. All right, now they are giving us the number, and we are in charge of drawing the 10 sticks and the circles, as well as still writing the number of 10s and 1s. Okay, so our number is 75 that we're starting with. Okay, we always like to start with the 10s. So let's look right here. What's in the 10s place? 7. 7 10s. So let's draw that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now we have to do the 1s. How many 1s? There's 5 of them. We're going to make a 5 group for this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we just came up with our answer right here. How many 10s? Well, we drew 7 of them. And how many 1s? Check the 1s place, look at your picture. 5 1s. Let's do one more together. Okay, let's do number 10. Number 10, the number is 90. Okay, let's start with our 10s. How many 10s? Check the 10s place. There are 9 10s. Let's do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, let's move on to our 1s. I see something different here. 0 in the 1s place. Do I have to draw any 1s? Nope. 0 1s and 9 10s. Very good job. Okay, I'll have you do 11 through 14 by yourself, and then we'll do check for understanding together. So it says draw 10 sticks and circles for a 2-digit number that has 7 10s and another number that has 7 1s. Okay, so you can choose any number that has 7 10s, but it needs another number, right? So if it's 70, it's going to be 70 something, because 7 10s means it's 70. So I'm going to make it 74, and then I'll make my drawing. You at home can choose whatever you want. Okay, so I got my 7 10s, which is 70, and then I chose 4. That's the first part of the problem. It said use sticks and circles to draw a 2-digit number, and this is 2 digits right here, that has 7 10s. Okay, we did that. And then another 2-digit number that has 7 1s. So now we have to choose something that would have 7 in the 1s place. I'm going to choose 17. Okay, so when I draw 17, I have 1 10 and 7 1s. Oops. Okay, I'm going to use a line to split this up so you guys can kind of see. Here's the one with 7 in the 10s, and here's the one with 7 in the 1s. Thank you very much, friends. Talk to you tomorrow.